article review on CoinMarketCap blog Alexandria. So we're doing an article review on how to buy cryptocurrency in Nigeria. So basically, this is just an article review. If you still need more in-depth tutorials, you can also drop your comments or your questions on the comment section of this video. We'll try as much as possible to attend to you. Meanwhile, the steps written here and the processes are usually very straightforward and helpful. So guys, your boy Akahilz, you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the red subscribe button beneath this video, and also turn on notifications so you get notified whenever we drop beneficial and awesome content. You can also share this video and like this video for free. So guys, table of contents, there are lots of them guys, so we're going through run through on this. So the cryptocurrency boom in Nigeria, a country whose 206 million residents now drive the largest BTC market on the African continent, has been attributed to factors that range from falling national fiat currency to the resourcefulness and proactivity of a young and tech-savvy population. So that's one fact about Nigerian cryptocurrency. So it is cryptocurrency legal in Nigeria. The rising popularity of cryptocurrency has not gone unnoticed by the Nigerian government. So in February this year, the CBN imposed a ban preventing banks and financial players from processing transactions for cryptocurrency exchanges. Nigerian banks are required to shut down their services to end customers who buy and sell trade cryptocurrencies. Despite this setback, residents can still buy and sell trade Bitcoin and other crypto assets. This guide will give you an overview on how to go about this. It is still very legit, although as regards this just the ban there. The payment methods for buying crypto in Nigeria. First of all, you can buy using your credit card. So buying cryptocurrencies via credit card remains popular as it is highly convenient. However, the CBN crypto ban means that currently it is not possible for Nigerians to buy Bitcoin and other crypto assets using Naira beside a card. International Visa or MasterCard credit card payments are accepted. So one thing to note is that credit card processing fees may mean that paying with a credit card is less cost effective than other payment options. So this is something you want to note, and I think it's something you should put into consideration. Also, you can also buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies using debit card. It's similar to credit card. The CBN crypto ban also applies to debit cards linked to Nigerian bank accounts. However, international debit cards will still work and will incur lesser fees as compared to credit cards in the light of the ban. It comes as no surprise that buying BTC using credit and debit cards is not easy. So while Nigeria is one of the top tier countries, P2P countries, you can always utilize the P2P trading option, which is made available here. So you can also buy Bitcoin with other crypto assets using Naira. So you are using a service like local Bitcoin or Binance in order to find a local vendor who accepts cash payments. You're getting a Bitcoin ATM and other buying directly. So those are some of the perks. It's a step by step. Choose a crypto wallet. Access to a crypto wallet. You can use a wallet naively provided by the crypto exchanges. This latter, hardware wallets such as Ledger, Nano, Desktop, and more. Choosing where to buy. You need to choose a good platform. We have crypto brokers that are in this one example is Luno or Binance. We utilize Binance, however. So cryptocurrency trading platforms, we have loads of them. Then also peer-to-peer exchanges. We have one on Binance too. As you purchase your crypto, the last step is to purchase your crypto in your desired amount. You're good to go. Meanwhile, you'll be told to do your KYC, which is a normal process, as most banks they do also require participants to utilize KYC, just in identification to mitigate against fraudulent transactions on the crypto space. To where to buy Ether in Nigeria. So this process works for all cryptocurrencies, fiat currencies. Also, if you want to learn about cryptocurrencies in Nigeria, you also want to check out article on best crypto exchanges. But we've done a video on that already. So guys, peace out. It's your boy Akahilz. Stay tuned for more. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section. See you in our future uploads, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Peace out.